Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix XAPOFX15.dll missing error in Windows 10. Type XAPOFX15.dll download in browser search bar. Click XAPOFX15.dll download. First find your system type. Open File Explorer. Right-click this PC, click Properties. My system type is 64. Click Download. Open downloaded zip file. Copy DLL file and paste it into System32 folder. Also paste it into SYSWOW64 folder. If 32-bit system only paste into System32 folder. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.